Hello everybody, today I'm going to be playing Among Us. I am a crewmate. Oh, just one imposter. Let's see. Tasks. It's my very first time playing on the computer. I have played Among Us before, just not on the computer. Oh, emergency meeting. What happened? Just hold on. Let's see. Oh, yellow left. I'm skipping. Yellow probably killed somebody and then he's like, oh. Yellow left. Wait, how did he still vote? Yellow. Okay, I'm going to try to do all of my tasks. Okay, go into O2. What you doing, White? Okay. Oh, I got 2 tasks in here. Okay, next we are going to admin. If you have played Among Us, comment down below what color you like to be when you play Among Us and what hat you wear. And you will get a shout out in the next video. Okay, I like this one a lot. Let's see, I got another one, an upper engine. I'm all done with my tasks. Sweet, I'll just watch security. Oh, someone's dead. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's just the 4? Oh. Wait, it says, what? He's still here, but, oh, that's weird. Okay, can you not vote him? You can't vote him. Ah! I didn't do anything! Oh well. It's fine. More people skipped. I think it might be purple. Go to security. Just watching the cameras. When someone comes to security, I'm gonna oh. Well, I'm dead. Thank you, Brown, for killing me. Okay. Well. Oh. Dang it. He won. I'm gonna quit and I'm gonna go to 2 imposters. Dang it. Come on. Yay. Okay. One, 2. Let's start in. Let's hope I'm the imposter. Oh. Well. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, crewmate. Okay, tasks. Got one in cafeteria. Oh shoot, lights. There we go. Oh! Emergency meeting. Oh, there's only 6 people left? Okay, so we're probably going to be voting white. If not white, then we're probably going to be voting dark blue. Let's see. I think it's white, but if not, let's see. I'm trying to think who it could possibly be. I think it's white and red. Oh, come on! Really? I have to keep an eye out. Yeah, there's still 2 imposters. Are you kidding me? 56 seconds? Jeez. I still have so many tasks to do. Dang it. Alrighty. Let's do one more round. Okay. Okay. I think the game's about to start. There's 10 people. Starting. Come on, get imposter, please, come on. Dang it. Oh my gosh, look, balloons all around me. Okay, got this, and got that. Okay. Oh, let's go to reactor. Yep. There we go. Oh, I got nothing in electrical. Oh, I got med base scan. Okay. Putting in the gas. Going back to the gas can, and then going to lower engine. Ready? Like, I have so many tasks, but I don't have any in electrical, which a lot of people have in electrical. Yeah, I think I saw black in there too. I think it's black because I did see him go in there. Because I think I remember seeing him go into electrical, but I'm not quite sure, just in case. Let's see. I'm still not quite sure who the other imposter is, but I feel like the first imposter is black. Oh, well, okay. So there's 7 people left. I think it might be black. Yes, come on, please be black. What? Oh, there's only one imposter. Sweet. Okay. Let's go to lower engine. Let's do the gas. There we go. Okay. Let's go to admin. Download. Gonna upload. Okay. We have a few left. We got the wires, the 3 wires, shields, and medbay scan. Okay, let's go do some wires. Navigation. Sweet. Alrighty, and then let's go to cafeteria. I have no idea what they're doing. Let's see. Trying to do all the tasks I can. I wonder if there's anybody who's dead. I'll look around the map after I do medbay scan and see if there's anybody dead. Sweet, I'm all done with my tasks. Okay, I feel like there's less people, so let me look around the map. No one there. Oh, I am dead. Okay, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.